Hey you guys, and welcome back to Atoya at home. And this is me doing my fall decor, clean with me and decorate of my porch. I haven't done this ever on my channel or for my house since we bought our house 4 years ago. So I'm excited to do it for this year and many years to come. And so I hope y'all really enjoy this. I really do. And I'm hoping to show that it's welcoming and all these good things. There's things that's going to be coming out that I've done myself. Y'all know I'm all about my DIYs. If you are a long time, you're loyal. And so I'm trying to be able to be a good wife and mom and home keeper, if that makes sense. And just show my house that we appreciate our house for taking care of us. You know, kind of like the condo, Marie Kondo thing. You have to love on your house so your house can love you. You got to thank your house for taking care of you and sheltering you from all the storms and the rain and all those good things. And you also have to thank God for the ability to get in all the shelter and everything. So I just want to show my house that I appreciate it, and then show my kids that we appreciate our house. So I just want to go ahead and invite you guys to go ahead and subscribe to our channel and join the family. I am a mother of 3 girls, Rayne, Mamie, and Ezekia, and I am the wife of Douglas Thomas, who is my love of my life for the last 20 years. And I just want y'all to join the journey and just enjoy us living life, period. Like, that's just what we do. We just trying to show joyful happiness and even sometimes hard times too. That's all we doing here. So I just hope y'all enjoy it, and I like it enough to subscribe. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Varje gång jag bak på dig, jag tänker vilket kap jag har gjort. Jag skulle gå tillbaks i tid, göra om allt igen och förstå. Ser det som ett allt, det är dig jag vill wifa. De här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. På det jag lägger all min tid. Jag vill ha det. Du får mig känna safety. Jag kan nog leda baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig.
aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Jag vet det bara life om igenom. Jag vet det bara ta sin tid. Jag vet det bara life om igenom. Stay with me please. Jag vet det bara life om igenom. Jag vet det bara ta sin tid. Jag vet det bara life om igenom. Stay with me please. Du lägger till, du är där för mig. Jag svär mitt liv kretsar runt dig baby. Du bär på mina bebek så att när jag visionerar vår framtid. Låt mig hålla dig baby. Hey, yeah, yeah. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Jag vet det bara life om mig. Aldrig, jag vet det bara ta din tid. Jag vet det bara life om en och stay with me. Jag vet det bara life om mig. Aldrig, jag vet det bara ta din tid. Jag vet det bara life om en och stay with me.
Okay, y'all, so right here, so you see that I got the Dollar Tree blue trucks. And I wanted to incorporate them into my decor this year. My whole thing about the blue trucks is that blue is my favorite color, and I was tired of seeing the red trucks. Now I'm like, why don't they have a blue truck? That was like 2 years ago. And then this year they have blue trucks, everything. Y'all, oh my gosh, I'm so ecstatic. So I decided to take the blue truck little mini decor, and it had like the little ring around it, and so I wanted to make sure I put it around my tea pumpkin, and just to incorporate the blue trucks, because I'm so ecstatic to have them. It took a minute, y'all. It's hot. That's all I gotta say. It was just hot outside, so yeah. And then the next clip is going to be Dollar Tree flowers being turned into a floral arrangement to go with fall season. So I really hope y'all enjoy all this DIY.
It's my time to ride it out. It's my time. Oh. Cheers to all the haters, cause you proved to me that rising to the top was my destiny. And you can see whatever from behind me, but I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go. It could all be worse, I could be a hater like you. It could all be worse. Clothes to make the man, but that poison's gonna kill you. From the inside out, it's time to say it with your chest now, say it with your chest now. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to ride it out. It's my time, it's my time to ride it. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to ride it out. It's my time, it's my time to ride it out. It's all in the past now.